You built your website because you believed in what you were offering, and somewhere along the way, it stopped feeling like that. Maybe you've tweaked it yourself, added pages, changed the layout, but nothing seems to move the needle, and honestly, it's exhausting. Here's what we've learned working with small businesses. It almost never is what you think it is. The fix is usually simpler. One well-built page, designed around how real people actually make decisions, can do more than an entire website full of content nobody reads. We've seen it score 95 or higher on every performance metric. And more importantly, we've seen it actually bring in clients. We start with a 15-minute conversation. No pitch, no pressure. We listen to what your business actually needs. Then we build, and you'll have 2 versions to look at within 24 hours. This is normally a $2,000 service. We're offering it for $500 right now, and if you see what we build and it doesn't feel right, you don't owe us anything. We mean that. If your website isn't bringing in clients yet, let's fix that.